We have another story here. The Arizona Attorney General's office is now evaluating evidence in a highly publicized shooting on the 4th of July last year. After a lengthy investigation, 12 News journalist Sean Rice is learning that Phoenix police are asking for murder charges to be filed against a pro-Palestinian demonstrator. Sean is joining us now in studio with more on this case that he has been following very closely. What are you learning, Sean?
Yeah, Caribe, we've been reaching out to Phoenix police on this seemingly every month for the last 6 months now, and Phoenix police homicide detectives are now asking the state's highest prosecutor to slap murder charges on a Palestinian demonstrator in the shooting death of Paul Franco. That's the Phoenix man who was gunned down in the parking lot of his apartment complex last year, and the suspect claimed self-defense. Now, his family has been waiting eagerly for any action to be taken on his case, and they feel this update is a hopeful one towards justice.
Because it's taken so long, and we thought they were just not doing anything about it.
It's been 6 long months since Evelyn Velasco lost her brother Paul. He and his girlfriend Stephanie were walking to the fabulous Phoenix 4th fireworks show last July when an argument between Paul and several pro-Palestinian protesters ensued.
There's so much that I miss about him, and I'll never be able to have that back.
Stephanie told 12 News that argument near Steel Indian School Park made its way north to their apartment complex. She and Paul began throwing eggs at the demonstrators, prompting them to follow a car into the private parking lot of the complex, where more arguing took place. Gunshots between Franco and a masked demonstrator were exchanged, and people on scene claimed Franco shot first.
If it were the other way around, it would be totally different. It just seems so unfair.
Phoenix police spent months reviewing cell phone footage and conducting interviews with witnesses, all to determine if that self-defense claim is valid.
Everyone's sad, it makes it even harder, and then knowing that he's still out there. Nothing is being done.
Police now telling 12 News there is probable cause to charge the Palestinian demonstrator with second-degree murder and discharging a gun in public. Attorney General Chris Mays' office says they're now reviewing the case to determine if they have enough to get a potential conviction at trial.
We want justice for our brother.
Now, the Attorney General's office would not give us a timeline on when they may expect to file charges or not do so in this case. They have an ethical obligation to evaluate the evidence and only charge a criminal case if they believe they can prove it beyond a reasonable doubt to a potential jury. Caribe, back to you.
All right, Sean, thank you.